Girl, you're so beautiful. Girl, you're so beautiful. You should just be yourself. You should just be yourself. Nobody let you go.
What's good, Royalty Squad? Your girl Queen Bee in the Cup once again, back with another video. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday, y'all. My hair blowing in the wind. I'm feeling all good. I woke up, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no makeup today, but look at my friend over there. Y'all see my friend right there? Look at him. He just dancing. He just stood dancing. You know what? But anyway, I'm about to go in this Trend Nails. I'm about to get my nails taken off and get some new nails put on by my nail lady. But I'm just coming here to get them taken off because look it, this one hurts so bad. I'm just get these taken off first and then get my nails done. And I gotta look at which nails I want, so maybe y'all should help me out with that. Y'all, look at my nails. It's been such a long time since I've seen my own nails. This is how it looks when you freaking don't just let your nails breathe. I am done for. But I'm still going to get them done. I don't care. Because I cannot walk around my hands looking like, man, what these look like? Oh, sausages. Better walk, better walk, better walk, baby. If you talk, if you talk, baby. Better walk, baby. I'm finally here at my girl Libby. She about to get my nails popping. So I will show you guys my nails afterwards. I'm not even sure what I want yet, but I don't know. I'll show y'all after because y'all know she always hooks me up. So yeah, I will put her name in the description below, her Instagram name, if you guys do live in Houston and want your nails done. She's my nail lady and I can guarantee beauty. Yeah. Look at my freaking nails. They are gorgeous. They remind me of candy corns. I got the what's this called? Sugar nail. And what is this called right here?
That is angel paper.
Angel paper, man. And then I got this little metallic kind of, I don't know what it's called, but it's cute. If you guys live in Houston, don't forget to go to my girl Libby. She will hook you up like she did me. Look at everybody in the vlog. Hey, y'all in my vlog. Say what's up. Don't get hit by no cars now. Say hey to the vlog. Hey, gang, 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 gang. Y'all gonna be on my vlog. So I'm at Popeye's about to order, y'all. But I'm gonna just let Esther order for me. Man, I love my nails. Hello? Are you there?
Un momento.
Okay, I'm waiting on you. Let me turn the light on. Y'all, this light is terrible.
You talking to me? I ain't never talking to me.
Ooh, excuse me. Can I have a spicy 2-leg combo, please? And make sure my chicken is fresh, please. And also, can
Spice your mouth.
What?
Chicken spice your mouth.
I want it to be spicy. And I want legs, 2 legs. And for my side, I'll have mashed potatoes. And I'll have some, I'll also have an extra biscuit, please. And make sure you put it in there, because y'all always forget my extra biscuit.
Spicy with mashed potatoes and extra biscuit?
Yes, and also please add a green bean on there.
A green bean?
Yes. And do you have popcorn shrimp?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible instead of doing the two tenders, can you do 2 legs with the popcorn shrimp, the number 10?
No, ma'am.
Well then, could you just give me a side of popcorn shrimp, please?
Anything else, ma'am?
No, sir. Just make sure you get everything right there, and I'll be happy. All right. So I'm finally here at the window, and I know they're probably thinking like she don't match her voice, but I gotta talk to him like that.
Want me to record?
Yeah. How you doing?
Total's $13.70.
All right, hold on. Let me get my card. Where's my card? I'm coming. Where the hell is my card? Here you go.
Right.
Yes, sir. I don't really talk like that. I was just...
It's okay.
I do YouTube, so I was doing something goofy. It's me, I'm here again.
Posted that on YouTube?
Yeah. I do this. I do this everywhere. So I'm here in my house and everybody here, like literally everybody. I mean everybody named Mama here. And we about to go to I Fly, I guess. Chris don't want to go. I don't know why Chris don't want to go. Chris don't ever want to go nowhere that nobody else want to go, but it's okay. I mean, maybe next time he'll go. But I know I'm going, so yeah. And he getting mad over there because he know I'm telling the truth.
What happened to the $100?
He don't ever want to go nowhere that don't nobody else want to go. I don't understand why, but
You just for 3 days straight.
yeah, I left you. Yeah, I left and I asked could I leave, and that's because you wasn't going nowhere with me. So yeah, he don't ever go nowhere with the crew. He don't like the crew no more. So I'm standing outside of my house, and I stopped vlogging yesterday. I don't know. What happened? Oh, I went to Trey and Armand and them house just to go get the rest of my stuff that was over there, and I left my camera here at the house. And as y'all can see, man, I look a hot mess. I ain't gonna lie to you, I look a hot mess. I'm looking tired. I need to get some rest. You see these bags under my eyes, but I need to find somebody to do my hair because I want to sew in now. I took my braids down, but I need to find somebody to do my hair. So if y'all know anybody to do sew-ins, flat sew-ins, let me know, because I'm getting a sew-in with the Naija hair. So wasn't nothing really special that happened here, but so be it. So be it. It's been pretty cold outside. Not cold, but like for Texas, cold to me, because when I first got here from Michigan it was like hot, but now it's getting colder. I guess it's because it's like fall, but I don't know. But your girl gotta find a way to go slay. So in the next video I will be slaying, boo. Let me show y'all the hair that I'm about to get sewed in. I'm probably gonna be showing y'all when I get my hair done, just so y'all can see, like, you know, the process. Even though some of y'all probably don't care. I don't know if I should put the closure in or not. This is the closure. This is the... That dog barking. Oh yeah, this is the 18-inch closure. I don't know if I should get the closure though. So I'm gonna get like a straight sew-in, y'all, this time. I usually get like curly and wavy and stuff, but this time I'm gonna get straight. Yeah, this is real pretty. This is already like my hair color, I think. Yeah, it is. I don't think it needs to be any darker. Do y'all think? Let me know. But this is the hair I'm about to get sewed in. Let me know if I should use the closure or not, y'all. Because next time I will be slaying. I know I'm not slaying now, but I'll be slaying later. Y'all already know I know how to clean up well. But I'm about to end this vlog, probably edit it, post something for today. You know, it was barely anything. And actually, this is the next day, y'all. This is not, like, this is a new day. I still got on the same shirt. I'm dirty, man. I'm dirty. I mean, I took a shower and everything, but I don't know why I put the same shirt on. You ever do that? I mean, it's okay if you don't. That just means I'm dirty, right? I'm a dirty individual. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the Naija hair that I'm about to get sold into my hair, boo. You already know we about to turn up. We about to, I'm just playing. I'm about to slay, okay? Y'all gonna see me with my hair all like down and looking all cute. Ugh. Let me go ahead and end this vlog because your girl's about to go finish watching her I'm about to go finish watching my movie and what the hell is that? I look dead. I'm looking dead today, y'all. I'm looking dead. But alright, y'all, I'm about to deuce. I'm about to be out. I look so tired. I gotta go sleep. Okay, bye.